4:06 p.m. in St. Helens, Oregon, and we're about to be at the Twilight House. I wanted to get my first reaction on video. We're like literally there, but like we're looking for it now, and I'm just very excited. We're about to be there. That's it. They have it decorated for Christmas.
Let me wrap around.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
It is nicely decorated.
They did decorate it. Oh my God. Let's go check it out.
Here, give me it.
My shoe's untied. Oh my God, I'm gonna pass out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take our shoes off.
Right here.
They have Bella's cake. Oh my God, it's the Jacob. Oh my God. Bathroom. Just a little half bath. Nothing in there. Oh my God, it's Alice. Oh. And they have all the Twilight books. They have Twilight books I don't have. Oh my God, I might have to offer to buy these.
I don't think you're able to buy them.
Probably not, but there we go. Oh my God, and they have it all set up for Christmas.
That is pretty nice.
Look at this. I wonder who painted it. They have all the Twilight movies here. And they have microwave popcorn to watch. And here's the dining room all decorated for Christmas. Oh my God, it's Victoria. They have Victoria.
Oh yeah, from
A baddie.
Titanic.
From Titanic? Oh my God. And here's the kitchen. No, I gotta find the light switch. So actually, in their message to me, they said this is the same dishwasher from the movies. It still works, so they never replaced it. That's what they told me. Wolf painting. Okay, upstairs. Oh my God, and they have like all these different like Twilight art. Oh my God. Okay, here's one little bedroom. It's like a little tiny babo room.
That's where I'll be sleeping tonight.
Yeah, because I'm gonna bring the cardboard cutout in. Okay, so this is Charlie's room, I believe, because they said it's still Bella's crib, like he never got rid of anything. And this is definitely a Charlie-esque room for sure. Okay, and oh, I see Bella.
Hold your horses.
My queen. Look, the candles spell out Bella. Oh my God. So cute. Oh my God, this is freaking amazing.
little shrine.
I can get my own custom dolls. I'm about to buy some dolls. And look, I have Bella's wedding ring. And her bracelet from the movie and her other ring. Oh my god, all of her jewelry. They have another wedding ring. I wonder which one's the one she actually wore. There's a Twilight truck you can get. Okay, this is making me want to buy many things. I need to go on eBay. I gotta find the Edward cutout. Oh! Found him. A king, Robert Pattinson. And this is supposed to be, they told me, this is Bella's room. So this is supposed to be like similar to the bedding that she had. And then her real one is on display. Probs in here. Yep. All, like actual outfits of hers from the movies.
Pretty cool.
I wish I could take them. Like I seriously do. But it's okay. And then it's just got pictures. It's got pictures of like Edward and Bella. It's got like her Forks school ID. A couple of them actually.
Look, I think the book she used to read.
Yes, Withering. Oh my god. Yes. And it also has the little dream catcher Jacob gave her. And this might be almost all the rooms. Oh, and then there's just the full bath, which is, yeah, this is just a regular bathroom. But yeah, I think this is, yep. So, okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a lot more filming, but that is the first initial tour of Bella Swan's house. Thanks for joining me.